How to avoid the 3 most common affiliate mistakes. Affiliate marketing is one of the most effective and powerful ways of earning some money online. This program gives everybody a chance to make a profit through the internet. Since these affiliate marketing programs are easy to join, implement, and pays a commission on a regular basis, more and more people are now willing in this business. However, like all businesses, there are lots of pitfalls in the affiliate marketing business. Committing some of the most common mistakes will cost the marketers a large portion taken from the profit they are making every day. That is why it is better to avoid them than be regretful in the end. Mistake number 1, choosing the wrong affiliate. Many people want to earn from affiliate marketing as fast as possible. In their rush to be part of one, they tend to choose a bandwagon product. This is the kind of product that the program thinks is hot. They choose the product that is in demand without actually considering if the product appeals to them. This is not a very wise move, obviously. Instead of jumping on the bandwagon, try to choose a product in which you are truly interested in. For any endeavor to succeed, you should take some time to plan and figure out your actions. Pick a product that appeals to you. Then do some research about that product to see if they are in demand. Promoting a product you are more passionate about is easier than promoting one for the sake of the earnings only. Mistake number 2, joining too many affiliates programs. Since affiliate programs are very easy to join, you might be tempted to join multiples affiliate programs to try and maximize the earnings you will be getting. Besides, you may think that there is nothing wrong and nothing to lose by being part of many affiliate programs. True, that is a great way to have multiple sources of income. However, joining multiple programs and attempting to promote them all at the same time will prevent you from concentrating on each one of them. The result? The maximum potential of your affiliate program is not realized, and the income generated will not exactly be as huge as you were thinking initially it would. The best way to get excellent results is by joining just one program that pays a 40% commission at least. Then give it your best effort by promoting your products enthusiastically. As soon as you see that it is already making a reasonable profit, then maybe you can now join another affiliate program. The technique is to do it slowly but surely. There is really no need to rush into things, especially with affiliate marketing. With the way things are going, the future is looking real bright, and it seems affiliate marketing will be staying, not buying the product or using the service. As an affiliate, your main purpose is to effectively and convincingly promote a product or service and to find customers. For you to achieve this purpose, you must be able to relay to the customers that certain products and services. It is therefore difficult for you to do this when you yourself have not tried these things out. Thus, you will fail to promote and recommend them convincingly. You will also fail to create a desire in your customers to avail any of what you are offering. Try the product or service personally first before you sign up as an affiliate to see if it is really delivering what it promises. If you have done so, then you are one of the credible and living testaments aware of its advantages and disadvantages. Your customers will then feel the sincerity and truthfulness in you, and this will trigger them to try them out for themselves. Many affiliate marketers make these mistakes and are paying dearly for their actions. To not fall into the same situation they have been in, try to do everything to avoid making the same mistakes. Time is the key. Take the time to analyze your marketing strategy and check if you're on the right track. If done properly, you will be able to maximize your affiliate marketing program and earn higher profits. Thank you so much for watching the video. My name is Ronald Trapp. Please make sure to subscribe on my YouTube channel. To more success, cheers. And if you like to learn how to earn a 6-figure side income online, click the link down in the description for the free training.